Hi, this is Steve from sewinggold.com. This is a Juki DU1181N. One of our customers having a problem, I believe, sewing from 2 layers up to 4 layers. So basically it's going to be 6 total layers. I know the fabric here was lighter than what I've got here. This is vinyl, and then this is also vinyl. I don't have any quilting cotton, which this I believe was quilting cotton, and then this was canvas. But we're going to just sort of demonstrate with the vinyl here. The vinyl's slick, so it should be even a little harder to sew. And I have this set on a really small stitch, so I'm going to lengthen it to a 5. I had it set to a 4, actually a 2, I believe. So let me go back the other way. So one thing you could notice, it did make one small sort of stitch coming down these layers. So going up shouldn't be a problem. Coming down, sometimes the foot has nothing to feed on, so now this is compressed down pretty good, and so it should sew pretty good whenever we're going to do it again. And try it again. So basically right when it started, it stalled for a second, so I'm going to show you what I would do. Also, we've adjusted the pressure on this foot quite a bit. We decreased it, or actually, yeah, decreased the pressure because someone was sewing on something slow on this floor model. So what I would do when I'm sewing this, of course, I'm going to hold this, and then just when I get to the point, I barely pushed it, and then it sewed perfectly. Okay, so I'm just like barely gave it a little push. So if we look at this piece right here, we've reduced this quite a bit. A customer was in here and we reduced it. So this is your outside foot, this is your inside foot. You could also tighten these a little bit to get over that pressure, you know, over that hump. So I'm going to do that. They can give me a little wrench or a pliers. I'm going to just adjust the middle foot. Yeah, I'm going to pause this for one second. I'm going to adjust this piece here. Okay, so I've tightened both of these quite a bit, probably about 4 or 5 turns each. They're probably back to what they were when they came from the factory or something close. So I'm going to try the same thing, but I'm not going to give it a little push and see what happens. Same sort of thing, same little stall right in the start. Making that small stitch. So I'm going to just continue on and doing it just the way I did it before. And then it comes down and goes over it fine. Just with that little nudge. Tomorrow I'm going to try and post a video where I adjust the stepping, how this stepping on the middle foot here, and we'll also see what happens. We're going to try and make some adjustments to see if I don't have to give it a push. And we'll try and do that tomorrow if possible. Thanks. If you want to leave comments below, you can leave that underneath this video. Thank you.